Hello everyone, it's Bernadette here, Simply Be Art Cape Town. Welcome to P&A Canal Walk. It is I think my 7th workshop here, acrylic pour painting. And I've just set up and I'm waiting for my clients to arrive. I provide each of my clients with the supplies that they need to do their own painting, and today we're going to be doing a flip cup pour. I supply some notes as well and everything that is needed to do a beautiful flip cup pour. So I just wanted to show you my setup. I hope that this will inspire you to start your own workshops also with your clients, and let's share the love of acrylic fluid arts with everyone. So thank you for being here once again. Thank you for checking in and tuning in with me. Please enjoy the video and I will show some of the pics of the end results at the end of this video. Thanks everyone. Hi everyone, Bernadette here. Thank you for joining me again. I hope you enjoyed that intro to this video. Please check at the end of this video. You will see the completed results of my acrylic pouring class, my participants' finished pieces. I'm so excited for them. So please stay till the end so you can see those results. I'm working on a 50 by 50 centimeter canvas today. I want to do a rainbow swipe for you. I've got some beautiful rainbow colors in squeeze bottles, and this is my Dutch pour mix, some phthalo blue and phthalo green, also some violets in my rainbow swipe. I'm going to lay down a base coat, a white base coat, very thin base coat, just to cover the canvas. I'm going to layer that now, and then I'm going to talk to you about my swiping tools. I'm going to use some recycled plastic for my swiping tool today. So let's just get the base coat on the canvas. Not too much. Let me spread that out for you. I may be pouring some of this off as well. If there's too much white on the canvas, I'll just tilt the canvas to get the excess off. So I've got the flexible plastic again. I'm going to be using these as my swiping tools. And I've got all my rainbow colors ready. All right, so I want to work in two halves. I'm going to do almost a patchwork style, different directions, but everything rainbow colors. So I want to go down this way and then first down this way and then a shorter one this way, then one that way, then a long one that way. So that's what I want to do. Let's see how it's going to work. So let me lay down my rainbow colors. I'm loving this colors. Oh my goodness, it looks gorgeous. Just amazing. Let me bring it down for a close-up. I just love the happy colors in this rainbow painting. Please let me know what you think. Leave your comments below. Like and share. Thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay well. Until the next one, bye for now.